Yeah, keep inviting them. We've just played first map against wheezingAxe751 and Swizl.Nerdy. They dashboarded first map and then they're not coming back to second, and they've already reported 2-0 to themselves. As you can see, he's on Internet Explorer. The other guy is on Black Ops still. Last met 2 minutes ago and 4 minutes ago. It's 4 minutes since the last map ended. So we've got 1 minute to get back in game. Just gonna see the last map 5 minutes ago, 3 minutes ago. It's a premium match as well, so an admin lol. So an admin should message me, one of us, or message me and they'll say what happened. As you can see, last met 6 minutes ago, 4 minutes ago. Should be about to change. 5 minutes. Still in the game. Last one 5 minutes ago. Good game.